part 2 of me trying bulldog. I took a little bite mee. Ja, my tong het gebrand. Ek het getraan. My neus is toe. Ek gaan net so 'n bietjie probeer. Ek gaan ek vir julle sê wat gebrand het of nie. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Just you and me, dinner, wherever you want. Can we go to Soda Voce? Ooh, lasagna.
De brand is so erg. Ek moes nie die hele spice geadd het nie. Vir allemaal followers wat soos subscribers en followers wat die kyk, ek dan vir julle gaan julle bakkie. Ek ben ek op glasie van het werk nie. Okay guys, ek het melk gaan kry want my koeldrink het nie gehelp nie. Ek gaan 'n groot appie vat, ek gaan 'n groot stukkie melk vat. So groot.
No, be a man. But if I were you, I'd ride my bike right over to Soda Voce, march in there, tell Henry that he's rude, and
De
then
brand
shove his face down right into his food.
Yeah. I should teach him a lesson.
Ek dink dis kan melk nie man.
Now get out of here.
Ek net van nie warm. Dis 'n baie groot appie. Ek het
Hey Henry, remember this guy? Bye, Jasper.
If I were you, I'd tell Henry that he's rude, and then I'd shove his face down right into his food.
Dis lekker.
What do you think? Quickly, in a few more days, you could be a full-on man beast.
As ek eers melk drink
Nice Chloe, and she's already
en dan van die brander nie. Maar dan gaan ek part 2 is. 3.
working for you.
Ek kan nie nou die part 1 of 2 is. Maar as dit part 2 is,
I know how to get Henry out of here.
onverskoning. As dit part 1 is, onverskoning. En ek dink dit gaan part 3 wees of 2. Maar ek het van part 2. Ja, die is part 2. Die is part 2. So lekker.
I was Phoebe.
This is the end of the video. My tongue is very burning. I'm gonna eat some more noodles. Peace out.